Hello Pilates and yoga lovers. Welcome to my channel, Annie Pilates Physical Therapist. This is my introduction for my 30 days Discover Self-Healing. That I'm very excited to share to each one of you. It's a gentle Pilates, perfect for any beginners out there who doesn't know how to start the Pilates program. If you're having neck and back pain, then this is perfect for you. It's a slow progression. As a physical therapist with more than 17 years experience, I've seen what works best for my patient that's safe and effective for healing their spine through core engagement and strengthening the low back muscles all the way to the neck as the foundation to support our posture. So come and join me for 30 days of healing our spine, improving our posture, flexibility of our arms, shoulders, hips, and legs, and improve overall health. This gentle progression will be not intimidating for any beginners out there, and it's also great for strengthening our abdominal muscles. And I've seen patients who lost weight doing this program because there's no impact on your spine if it's done correctly. The slow and controlled mind-body connection. So come and join me for this 30 days journey to discover self-healing, not just your physical body, but your mental and emotional health as well. Thanks, my friends, and see you tomorrow for day 1.